Hi, this is Rahul. Welcome to Gadget Freaks, and after a long time, I'm making this video. So today, I'm gonna talk about stuff that is gonna be really useful during this COVID situation, lockdown, and stuff. So suppose you are gonna make a presentation on your PC or something like that, or you have a school project, or you wanna upload something, some kind of a tutorial video for your friends or family, and you need your face inside that video. That means there is something you are showing something and you need your face talking what you are talking about on the screen. And you can do this kind of stuff on like Zoom meeting and Google Meet and stuff. But if you are gonna make a pre-recorded video, how are you gonna do that? Like, you need your webcam footage on your screen just with the screen record or any kind of video you are showing to your friends or family or any kind of project and stuff. So today I'm gonna show you how to do that. Like, you can add your necessary camera stream and you can add your face to these videos. So that can be a project, that can be a presentation, that can be a tutorial video, any kind of stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. Either you can use your laptop's webcam or your computer's webcam, or you can use a better camera like your phone's camera wirelessly. So I'm going to show you both. So this is going to be a long video, so stay tuned and let's get started. So as you can see guys, I'm on my screen on my laptop. So I'm gonna show the whole process of the whole screen recording and the recording of your face using your laptop's webcam or any other camera source. So I'm gonna use a virtual machine for that, because right now the main software, which is called OBS Studio, is already running on my main machine. So I can't show the whole process from the beginning. So you can download the OBS Studio from obsproject.com or something like that. I'm gonna provide the link of the website in the description box. So I have already downloaded the application on my virtual machine for time saving purpose, and let's get into the virtual machine. So as you can see, this is a Windows 10 virtual machine just like your computers, and I have already downloaded the OBS. So let's go to the download section, and as you can see, that is called OBS Studio, and I'm gonna install this. So typical application installation process of the Windows 10, and it's gonna take a little bit of time, so let's wait for that amount of time. And the process is pretty easy if you're using the laptop's webcam or a dedicated webcam of your computer, but if you're gonna use the webcam or the front cam or the back cam of your phone or any other source like your iPad and stuff, so that's gonna be a little crazy. So I'm just gonna make the video about the webcam of my laptop. So the video will be short for today, but in another video I'm gonna talk about how to use your phone's camera. The quality will be a lot better and latency will be pretty low, I would say, in my process. So I have already tested the whole stuff, and it works on Android, iOS, any kind of smartphone, I would say. So actually it is gonna connect to your phone using OBS and stuff. So as you can see, the OBS is already installed. So I'm gonna open up the OBS and for the first time. So as you can see, let's configure the OBS, because you need some good configuration. Like, I'm going to use it for recording, so it is going to give some kind of configuration, and I'm going to go for the best quality. It is going to test, but I'm going to make it. And as it is a virtual machine, the settings will be kind of low, but if you have a weak computer, the settings will also be kind of low, like it is showing about 240 frames per second. But I'm gonna change the settings. So just go to settings tab here in the OBS. It's kind of slow because it is a virtual machine. You can just go to video, and as you can see, the base canvas is 1080p, but you have to go to the output scale and make it 1080p, and the downscale factor to the Sharpen scale 36 sample, the last one. And just you can go to video bitrate and stuff. You can go to Adobe Bitrate 320, and is a software stuff. You can get a hardware encoding here if you have a genuine computer. As mine one is a virtual machine, there is no hardware encoding. And you can go to recording quality, just select indistinguishable one. If you select lossless one, the video size will be really high, so just go indistinguishable one. And recording format, there are a lot of there, MKB, MP4, MOV, a lot of stuff. I'm gonna use MP4. So now let's go to hotkey, and I generally use some hotkeys to control my starting or stopping of recording. So I'm gonna use the control A as my starting and Control T as my stop key, and let's apply everything. So it's applied. Now what I have to do, there are two stuff like mic and desktop audio, so I'm gonna just mute the mic because we're gonna record the desktop. Or you can also activate this mic, so if you are recording your own voice, so that's on you. And now I'm just gonna use the display capture one. So here you can see now my display is being captured. This is my whole display, and we need to add another stuff like the display is being captured, the screen is being recorded, so we need another source, that's the video source, like video capture. Just select video capture device and go to OK, and as you can see there are some options like OBS virtual cam and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is that here you can just configure video and stuff. So as I'm using a virtual machine, that is nothing like any kind of webcam, so here you have to select the camera. It will show the camera of your laptop or any USB connected webcam. Actually this is a virtual machine, so there is no camera application or anything like that, so this showing like that. So you can just add like this, and you can just adjust the size like here. Think of it as my face in this video because it's just a virtual machine, so you can keep your face at here or something at the bottom corner, anywhere. Now your setup is ready. You can just minimize this thing and you can press your previously selected shortcut for starting the recording. Like I'm gonna select Control S, and now it has started the recording and you can do your job. Suppose I'm gonna go to Firefox, I'm going to search about Arch Linux. I want to show something my friend or family about Arch Linux. So as you can see, archlinux.org, and right now the screen is being recorded. There are all the details here and it is already being recorded, and you can show anything like any kind of PPT, Excel sheet, anything you like. And you're done with your stuff, just minimize the whole stuff and select Control T. Now the recording will be stopped. As you can see, it is stopping the recording because it's a virtual machine, so it is taking a little bit of time to do all this kind of stuff. So as you can see, the recording is ready, I think, and we just start to just kind of late, like it is gonna take a little bit of time. It is opening in Windows Media Player and stuff. Yeah, as you can see, if we just kind of maximize it, as you can see on the bottom right corner there is a face, like in this case the OBS stuff, and it is kind of glitchy because the virtual machine is really weak. But if you have a decent powerful computer, it will handle it like champ. Like it's so powerful, the application is so powerful that it can do anything. So this is the recording. You can send it to someone, you can send it as presentation and stuff. So this is about the whole stuff. This is the application OBS Studio that is gonna do the trick. And if you wanna add your phone's camera as the camera for your recording, that you want a better quality, I'm gonna make a video about that thing in next time. And I'm gonna use my main computer as the demo unit because the virtual machine is not working as intended. So that's it for now. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video. Signing off. Thank you. Bye bye now.